Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's day 13. Yeah, continue doing the series no matter if I win or lose. As you guys know, I did take an L. People are freaking out. I don't know why. Not freaking out, but people are like, bro, losing is a part of the game. Like, I'm not worried about that shit. Okay, so still got a back test every day. And yeah, let's get straight into the charts. Clearly bullish. We're at all-time highs, so kind of good practice for live markets as well because we are at all-time highs again. So yeah, man, so it should be a good session and good practice. Let's not waste any time. Just get straight into it. Today is Thursday, 27th. See if there's any news. Yeah, we have Powell's speech at 9:10. Kind of weird. So this is the reason why for this pump. As you see, it's 9:15. So we'll throw it open, see what we do. Okay, definitely want to go longs only, because we're at all-time highs. So yeah. Okay, let's reset this. Okay, so right now we are. I want to see maybe a 5-minute. Right now we're kind of accumulating, manipulating, and then you have this 5-minute entry, which is funny enough. This literally looks like the exact trade I took today, and it actually didn't work out. So let's see if this works out. So didn't work out. We got break even though for sure. But now we have S&P at these highs. So let's see what we do. Okay, still S&P'd. Like I said, I just want to see us maybe tap an hourly. Okay, now we have SMT at these lows. Definitely want this 4-hour before looking for longs. But if we get a good reaction to the upside after this SMT, I'd be, not opposed to longs. Okay, let's see if we get this 1-minute entry. Okay, no, manipulated again. Should be S&T again. Okay, so we're still holding this internal S&T. 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute. Okay, no. Okay. So would have took this 2-minute if this wasn't here. So let's see what we want to do. Okay, 10 a.m. Okay, nothing really much to this. We have S&T again at this high. No, not this high, but this external high. So we'll see what we do. See if there's a 15-minute, 5-minute. See if we get this 5-minute gap. No SMT either. So yeah, we'll skip the PM session considering that wasn't the best AM. Okay. Retracing at AM. Okay, it's currently PM as of now. Sorry, retracing in lunch. And now we're tapping this 4-hour gap that I wanted to see get swept. Okay. So on 3-minute. Okay, we have a 3-minute model. Okay, watch out for SMTs. Okay. Okay, close below here. Let me see some real quick though. We're in this 15-minute. Clearly bullish overall. RR is just not the best. Not gonna take this. I want to see us I want to see our 4-hour open. Let's see if we get this 5-minute tap. Okay, so PM session is also not a lot to it. Yeah, definitely no trade day. Nothing that I like. Okay, accumulated on the 4 hour. So price actions being not the best. News, today's Friday. No news, so we'll see what we do. See if we expand up, expand down. Clear manipulation to the downside in both ways. Stay open. Okay, manipulated down. Tapping this 15-minute. Any SMTs? Yeah, we have SMT right here. We actually have. Yeah, we have SMT here. Two-way SMT. So we have this 1 minute model. Okay, doesn't want to play out. Still SMT'd. Okay, I'll take this. To all these equal highs, all this liquidity. So yeah, break even would be obviously this high, whether it's on NQ or ES. So yeah. See if we get filled. Okay, break even. Wow, perfectly stopped me out. Okay, so break even trade. Let's see if this, yeah, not moving, kind of expected for a Friday. Still pretty early into the AM session. We do have S&T here again. So we might just take another shot at this, considering this right here, clearly bullish, but not liking this movement at all. So I'm not gonna take that. Okay. Now we have SMT here. Bunch of SMTs just everywhere, bro. See what we do here. Okay. Liquidity sweep right here. Okay, so we'll just let price play out. See what we want to do. 2 minute maybe, 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. So yeah, just very choppy price session. Start the next day. Today's a Monday. No news Monday. I'll trade it. Just why not? Do have a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside that we are probably gonna want to take, so it's set up pretty well. Okay, open next candle. So far one break even. That's about it. Okay, all this trendline liquidity. Okay, see if it's paired with anything. This 4 hour gap, not created yet, but okay. Skipped like 2 candles, holy shit. Okay. So I want to see us maybe tap this hourly right here. Ideally, we're respecting this 4 hour gap. So if we don't want to go long, or short, then we don't. But I want to see what we do at 10 a.m. because we have this open 4 hour now. See if we tap. Okay, tapped. Pretty aggressive tap. Leaves me to think we do have a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside. So we'll see if we get this 3 minute. Okay. 2 minute. Or is that a 1 minute? Okay, so we have a liquidity sweep right here. I'm not wrong, that's SMT as well. No, not SMT, but SMT with this. No, what is it SMT'd with? This? Okay, so as you can see, we haven't hit this high yet. We actually left it equal, so. It looks like we're ready for dump, I'll be honest. Okay. So don't think we'll get that dump. Kind of normal, no news price action. Okay, actually swept out all this. One thing about me in all-time highs is that I need to stop taking shorts, bro. Like I know you say, or I say, bias isn't really important, but I tend to chase shorts because of all this liquidity that's being built up, and sometimes we just leave it. Okay, so like I said, we were due for a dump. If we get a nice change of state on the 5 minute. Okay, so I'll take this. About 25 points. Okay, should take out all this. And we're already SMT, bro. Okay. Not been the greatest day today. So we see if we get a change of state to the upside here. Well, it's no news Monday at 11 a.m. I'm just gonna strip next day. Okay, clearly bullish, all-time high movements, man. Nothing that is special. Just try to go long, try to short. Most obvious bullish pretty raise and low resistance liquidity. So yeah, we have SMT here. Pretty sure that's an hourly low. Yeah, right here. Okay, right here. So bullish SMT, as you see, NQ is clearly the stronger pair. Start open. Okay. Open, manipulated down. Still touching this SMT. Hourly gap right here. If we inverse this, okay. So definitely looks like it wants to tap this 4 hour. So whether we get a trade to it, considering this candle, I doubt it. But if we don't, then I'll be looking to take this 5 minute right here. Okay. SMT here. If we had good close above here, I'll take it. Not the best close. See if we're reacting off of anything. I mean, yeah, low, lower high, low, lower high. Once again, not something I'm enjoying. Yeah, it's my model, but not enjoying the risk to reward. Too much into premium for lawns. Want to be in discount. So yeah, ultimately would have hit full TP. But not a trade I would enjoy taking. Looks like just dead and ready for launch again. Okay, not a lot of price action to work with. Today's just one of those days. Can't do anything about it. Not having the best day at all. Gotta do what I gotta do though. So yeah, not liking a lot of things. It's currently 11 a.m. so we'll skip to PM session. Okay. SMT at all-time highs. Very bad price action. Yeah. Nothing much more to it, bro. Okay. Once again, making higher highs. See if we can find some shorts. Looks like market wants to come lower once and for all. Or not. Definitely not gonna lift lawns when we're already at all-time highs. It was early enough over here, but didn't enjoy it. So now if we get a good flows below here, definitely target. No hourly gaps, no 4-hour gaps, unless we create this one. But let's see what we get. Okay, now let's just try and look for lawns. It's those lawns. So yeah, just complete range, as you see. Not doing anything. Really just not doing anything besides pumping. So let's go to next day. All-time high trading, bro. Look at this, bro. Okay. One thing about all-time high trading is that you'll have dumps that you can't even trade. Like you'll have insanely fast dumps, yeah. And that's just the reality of all-time highs. Tap this 4-hour gap. Currently SMT'd with ES. So let's see if we can make another move down so we have more price actions to play with. Okay, so now I don't know where we want to go. Okay, clearly don't want to go short when you have all these. See? Okay. Touch the 5-minute. See if we have SMT at that low. We do. Okay, see we get this entry model. Do we want to keep on going short? That's the hard problem about these dumps at all-time highs, is that you don't know if we're gonna continue dumping or it's just honestly a Hail Mary that is bound to happen. So with that being said, kind of have to look at it. Okay, so we have all this liquidity that isn't really supported by anything. Tap into the last 4 hour, which is the most volatile. Tap in this 15-minute. We'll see what we get. Okay. We will see what we get. Okay. Starting to manipulate down. We have this entry model. See where ES is at. So yeah, ES looks like it's ready to go. I guess Lawns looks like it's going to be the plan. Considering we're probably gonna have SMT with ES. I'll just take it to this internal high. Place order on this 3-minute entry and see if it plays. Okay, so and on this, doesn't look the greatest. I'll be honest, most likely an L. Just by the way it looks, but I'll go break even here. Okay. So yeah, took an L. Sweep here. It's now 11:30. See what time this entry actually got me in. 10:36. Not the best, anyways. Bad trade by me. Yeah, man. Just one of those days. One of those days. You just gotta get through them. Okay, nothing will go your way, and just if you want to ruin your whole week for it, then you're just a bitch, honestly. But yeah, 1L, 1 break even. Let's see what we get. Starting the next day. Okay, so now, oh my god, this price action is so fucking shit, bro. SMT'd, all-time highs. Where do we want to go? I don't know, bro. I'll be honest, I'm completely lost. I feel like shit. I don't know what we're doing. Okay, swept out this. Clearly not. Oh, man, bro. See if we get a close below here. I just don't know where we want to go. I'm just lost. I'm honestly just lost, bro. I'm lost. Yeah. Confidence is very low right now. I'll take this, but man. To this 4 hour. Place order. Okay, good reaction. Targeting this 4 hour low, which is right here, and ES is closer, so should tap. Okay. Good trade there. 15-minute tap. 1 minute entry model. pretty textbook. Let's go to next day. I'll do one more trade. So 1 W, 1 break even, 1 L. And yeah. Okay. Currently edging this weekly gap, which I don't want to see, but it's crazy 4 hour. Let's see what we do. Okay, tap the 4 hour, see if there's SMT. Okay, no SMT. Actually, did I even sweep? Yeah, it did sweep. Okay, so let's see what we get. So it's good. Wow, this is a 128 point stop loss. Sorry, what? I don't get that, bro. Okay, so I'm just gonna go from 1 to 3. I want to 2.5. Off this 3-minute entry model. Okay, so swept out the low. Cancel this. Where do we want to go? Tap the weekly. SMT at the weekly. But don't know where we want to go. So we're dumping. Okay. What do we dump to? Like I said, I'm really lost in this market. I'll be honest. I'll be completely honest. I'm pretty lost in this market. Crazy dumps with no retracements. I'm lost. Okay. Only thing I can do is trade my drawn liquidity. But bias-wise, I'm pretty lost. Okay. We're doing a lot of things that I'm just lost at. It's completely fine. I'll take this 5-minute. It's too late for that. Let's start next day. Let's try one more trading. Like I said, not the best session, not the best day. Got other shit going on besides trading, so yeah. And no, I'm not in a bad mood because I lost. I don't care that I lost. There's other shit in my life that's going on, but I'm still out here doing what I need to do because I'm not a bitch. But if my attitude is different, then I'm not. That's fine. I'm not gonna put on a fake face for people that I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna be who I am and who I feel like as of now. So yeah, if I'm being pretty moody, so be it, bro. But yeah, enough talking about me. Stay on the charts. Stay on the charts. Okay, lower resistance liquidity to the downside. Clearly bearish. And today, Monday, don't even want to waste my time. Monday is 7. Let's go next day. Okay, completely dumped again. So yeah, currently bearish now. I kind of have an idea of what is going on. So it's better. Definitely have a discretion now. So clear drawn liquidity to these lows. Okay, tapped it perfectly. Honestly, I might take this right here. 1 minute inverse jab. If there's SMT at those internal highs, then no. Okay, so no. Yeah, I'm liking this. Stop below here, and we'll target. Honestly, this high right here, and then break even right here. That's kind of a long shot. I'll target this rejection block on the 15-minute. So quick low, like 1 to 3. Okay, entered break even right here, like I said. Break even. Okay, might be break even. So break even. Okay. Do we want to continue lower? I'm not sure. Okay, just swept it out again. Could be a form of manipulation. Definitely still could go in some longs. Okay, I'm liking this. Good close below, above. Crazy stop losses, man. What is this? Like I said, TP at this. Honestly, I'll just go to this 4 hour. Stop loss to a 1 to 2. I mean, there's not much more to do. Save. I'm still interested in this trade because we left equal highs on the ES. But you know, it's just one of those days. One of those days you got powered through. Honestly, nothing's going my way as of now, and honestly, there will be days like that. Okay. Right idea. Let's see how much I missed a trade by. About 1 tick. Okay. And ideally, I would have got entered if I just didn't draw it. I drew it 1 tick below on accident. So yeah, just one of those days, honestly. Just gotta push through it. You know? Simple as that. That is a session. 1 W, 1 break even, 1 L. Still a winning session. Look at it on the bright side. But yeah, having a rough day. Doesn't mean it leaves me for an excuse to be a bum. Still gotta do what I gotta do. And yeah, that is the session for today. I'll catch you guys later. Catch you guys tomorrow. Contemplating just not trading the rest of the week, considering now we're at all-time highs. And honestly, not in the right headspace. But content should still be continuing going out. And just gotta push through these tough times. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. Trade smart tomorrow. And I'll see you boys later. Peace.